So yesterday's FOMC meeting turned into a big buy the news event across the crypto market, just like we talked about. We've seen US markets pump everything. We've seen overseas markets pumping everything. ADA is doing quite well. And what I will say is I still see some people kind of playing these games, and there is something big to the tune of 800 million that has happened behind the scenes that people aren't paying attention to. I'm Luckside. Welcome to the channel. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, hit that bell. Again, it's free to do, and we'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Now, ADA price, guys, back above our 20-day moving average, looking good here. The only structure I don't really like right now is there's kind of this huge bear pennant that's playing out in terms of ADA. And what I will say is, can we break down from here? Yeah, we can, but it's very difficult to do because of the support. That's why I think it's more likely that we actually have an inverse break, right? We actually move back to the upside. Now, obviously, ADA price up about 1.2% over the last 12 hours. Most of the crypto market's doing a similar thing right now, and ADA's trying to get above this 50-day, and then our local quest is going to be up towards our 100-day moving average like we talked about yesterday. And what I will say is I've seen a lot of comments saying, oh yeah, I'm waiting for 25 cents. I'm waiting for lower prices. Basically, people waiting for depths that we haven't seen since the bear market cycle. Some people waiting for new cycle lows to take place. And the thing is it doesn't look like they're coming. All right. Now, this isn't a guarantee. This isn't financial advice or anything like that. And frankly, the market looks like it's on the verge of a breakout. BTC above our 20-week moving average. All these things looking very well, are very good in terms of ADA, right? And in fact, when we look at this ADA chart here, you guys can see that we're back up into neutral momentum on the 1-hour chart. All right. Now, if you guys are interested in checking out my indicator, it'll show momentum, it'll show buy zones, sell zones, things like that. Feel free to check that out. There's a 7-day free trial, and actually it costs less than $1 a day if you guys are interested in checking that out. But what I'm watching here is what whales are doing, because when we look at this chart, it doesn't really look like ADA's done a whole lot or over the last month, for example, right? We're up like 3% in terms of price, not much taking place there. But then when I look at what whales are doing, we can actually see that whales have added net flows about 800 million ADA. So just shy of a billion ADA over the last month. So people are playing games right now. They're like, oh yeah, ADA's dead. It's not really doing anything. But yet whales have added about 3%, 2.5%, 3% of the entire supply of ADA to their bags, their portfolios during that time for the long-term haul. Because there's one thing we know about ADA holders: they tend to hold on for a long time, right? They are one of the longest average held coins in all of crypto. Okay. For example, take a look. 72% of holders have held for 1 year or longer. That's a very key sign. Not only that, but only 22% of holders currently in the money. That means most people right now are not willing to sell their ADA. So there's a lot of people that are trying to get cute and play these games with the market. And this is where the market punishes a lot of people and leaves a lot of people behind. Now, I'm not here to scold you. People can do whatever they want. I frankly don't care. I hope everybody makes it in this industry. So if you're selling and playing games, I hope you find a way to make money, right? But right now we're getting close to those times where trends are going to start moving the opposite direction. Okay. For example, guys, right here between this line and between this line is where the markets tend to break out. Okay. So we now have this big box right here where the market tends to send. BTC starts to go on a run, alts begin to climb. And then sometime in November is historically speaking when alts go full vertical. This is what we're very quickly approaching. I think people are losing their concept of time here, because if people are getting cute, if people don't have their positions set, we've now had months and months and months and months of down prices to accumulate and build our bags. And this is where people mess it up and get left behind. All right. So people can obviously do what they want. Me personally, I haven't sold any of my bags. Right now, I've just been sitting on. Frankly, I don't care. I'm not in like an often trader. I do that more during the bull market cycle, during the height when you could, do 2, 3, 5, 10x pretty much all the time. And I'm not saying that's what ADA is going to do, but you guys get the point. Times where more capital is flowing freely. During these times where the market is getting ready for just one catalyst, I don't play those games. I don't want to take the risk because I know the upside reward is a lot bigger than the possible, impermanent loss. Whew. I almost lost it there. Okay. So what I will say is this, guys, my long position in terms of ADA still open, actually up again, huge from yesterday. I was only up about 10, 12%. I'm back up to up 63%. Again, not closing this yet, just waiting for that next surge in the overall market. Again, if you guys do want to check out Margex, there's a referral link in the description below. Definitely make sure to check that out. There's up to $10,000 in deposit and trading bonuses. There's no KYC. So my point is this. We're getting into some very exciting times. Don't mess this up, okay? We've talked about this for months. The time is right upon us. Don't do something that is going to mess up the rest of your bull market cycle. So that's where I'll leave it. I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Let me know if you think ADA is getting ready to make this breakout to the upside. But have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.